AI built my entire website in under 2 minutes. And I mean the whole thing. I didn't type a single line of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I just told an AI what I wanted, and it spat out a fully functional, modern-looking site that works perfectly on my desktop and my phone. Honestly, my first reaction was a mix of genuine shock and a little bit of that kid on Christmas morning excitement. It felt like I'd just been handed a superpower. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. Alright, before we dive in, let's quickly break down the 2 key players here. Google AI Studio Gemini. Think of them as a team. Google AI Studio is the workshop. Gemini is the master craftsperson inside that workshop. Google AI Studio is a web-based tool provided by Google. It lets you play around and build applications using their powerful AI models. You don't have to install complicated software. You just log in through your browser. You get a clean, simple interface where you start telling the AI what to do. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for first-timers. Now, let's talk about Gemini. Gemini is the brain of the operation. When you type a request into Google AI Studio, you're talking to a Gemini model. For our project, Gemini 1.5 is more than powerful enough. First things first, let's get our workspace set up. The good news is, this is the easiest part, and it requires 0 installations. Seriously, all you need is your web browser and a Google account, which I'm guessing you already have. Your first move is to head over to the Google AI Studio website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Click it. Now, you need to tell the studio which AI brain you want to use. For this project, selecting Gemini 1.5 Pro is the perfect choice, and perfect for generating the code we'll need for our website. The final piece of the setup puzzle is grabbing your API key. It will give you a long string of random characters. Do not share this key publicly. A quick tip here, while you can do everything in the browser, your main workbench is Google AI Studio, and it's now officially open for business. Now for the magic. We're going to tell Gemini to build our homepage. The key to getting a great result from an AI is giving it a clear, detailed, and specific prompt. You can't just say, "Make me a website," and expect something amazing. You have to be the architect and describe the blueprint. You need to tell it what sections to include. You need to tell it what the style should be. You need to tell it what technologies to use. Think of yourself as a director guiding an actor. The more specific your direction, the better the performance you're going to get. Here is the exact prompt I used. You can copy and paste this directly into the prompt box in Google AI Studio. This prompt is designed to be very clear about our needs. It asks for specific sections. It asks for a responsive design. It asks for simple, clean code without any complex frameworks that could overcomplicate things for a beginner. It also asks the AI to use good practices like clear class names and comments, which makes the code much easier to understand. The prompt is, create a modern responsive website homepage with a hero section, about section, AI tools section, and contact form. Hero section, about section, AI tools section, contact form, use HTML, use CSS, and a small JavaScript snippet for a future AI chat widget. Keep the design simple and mobile-friendly. Use clear class names and comments. Do not use any frameworks. After you've pasted that into the prompt box, hit the Run or Generate button. Now, sit back and watch. Gemini will begin to write the code for your entire homepage. It will generate the HTML for the structure, the CSS for the styling, and a little bit of JavaScript. Now you can copy that code and paste it into a tool like CodePen to see an instant preview of your new website. You should see a professional-looking page with a large header image or hero section, followed by the other sections you asked for. The best part? Try resizing your browser window. You'll see that the layout automatically adjusts to fit different screen sizes. That's the responsive part we asked for, and the AI built it in for you. A static website is cool, but a website with an interactive AI is next level. We're now going to add a simple AI chatbot to your site, a little window where visitors can type a question. Gemini will answer in real time. This transforms your site from a digital brochure into an engaging, intelligent experience. And it's surprisingly easy to set up. We just need to tell Gemini to write the code that connects our site to its brain. Remember that JavaScript snippet from the first prompt? The AI probably left a placeholder. Now we'll generate the real deal. The core idea is simple. Take user input, send it to the Gemini API using our saved API key, receive the AI response, display it back in the chat window. Go back to Google AI Studio and use a new prompt. Be specific. Example prompt: create a JavaScript function for an AI chatbot. It should read input from an HTML field with ID user input. Send that input via fetch post to artapi.chat serverless. Take the JSON response and display it in the div with ID chat response. Include comments in the code. Gemini will generate the function you need. Copy that JavaScript and replace the placeholder in your site. Okay, this part is super important, so listen up. We need to talk about protecting that API key we generated. Putting that key directly into your website's HTML or JavaScript is a huge security risk. Anyone who visits your site can view the source code, find your key, and use it for their own projects on your dime. That's a recipe for disaster. So how do we let our website talk to the AI without exposing our secret key? The answer: a simple server-side proxy, usually a serverless function. The middleman runs on a secure server where no one can see its code. It takes the question and secretly adds your API key to it. Then it passes the request along to the Gemini AI. Gemini responds. The answer goes back to the middleman, then to your website. Your API key never leaves the secure server. It's the professional way to handle API keys. You've got your homepage code. You've got your chatbot code. You've secured your API key. Now it's time to put your creation on the internet for everyone to see. This is the deployment step. Thanks to modern hosting, it's easier than ever. We're going to use Firebase Hosting, made by Google and great for this project. It's fast, reliable, and ridiculously simple to get started with. To deploy, install the Firebase CLI with npm install g Firebase tools. Then run Firebase login to sign in. Next, go to your website folder with index.html and styles.css. Run Firebase init to start the setup wizard. Select hosting, arrow keys, space, enter. Choose the public directory. Use public or default. Say no to single-page app for this project. Once init finishes, you're on the final step. Put all your code files in the public folder. In your terminal, run Firebase deploy. The CLI uploads your files and in about 30 seconds gives you a public URL. Click the URL. Your AI-generated site is live. Send the link to your friends. You're officially a web publisher. Okay, so you have a live, AI-powered website. But what if I told you you could start making money from it? Like today. Monetizing your site doesn't have to be complicated. One of the easiest and fastest methods is affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services you like. If someone signs up or buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. You provide value, you get paid. Remember that AI tools section Gemini made on our homepage? Sign up for affiliate programs for the AI tools we're discussing. Sign up, get your unique links. List those tools on your site with a short description. When a visitor clicks and becomes a customer, you earn a percentage. Another great option, use a link in bio service. Add a single My Favorite Tools or Support Me button on your homepage, linking to that page. Beyond affiliate links, offer your skills as a service. Now that you can generate sites with AI, build them for others. Add Hire Me or AI website services to your site. Offer to build simple AI-generated websites for small businesses, artists, freelancers for a flat fee. Many will pay for a fast, affordable, professional-looking site. Your AI-built site becomes your portfolio. This keeps the homepage clean and monetized. Include your social media profiles and a Buy Me a Coffee or Donate button. It's a natural fit for an AI building website. All tools linked below. More AI builds ahead. Let's recap and close this out. So there you have it. We went from a simple idea to a fully deployed monetizable website, and we did it almost entirely with instructions given to an AI. We used Google AI Studio as our workshop and the Gemini model as our master coder. Step 1. Sign into Google AI Studio. Step 1. Get your API key. Step 2. Prompt Gemini to build the actual homepage. Step 3. Generate the JavaScript for an AI chatbot. We took a crucial detour. Protect the API key using a serverless function. Step 4. Deployment with the simple Firebase deploy command. And finally, Step 5. Monetization through affiliate links. Step 5. Offering services. The AI might occasionally generate code with small bugs that need fixing, and you need to be mindful of API costs as your site's traffic grows. The barrier to bringing an idea to life on the web has been lowered to almost nothing. If you can describe it, you can build it. This is a game changer for creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone with a project. My final verdict? Absolutely yes. You should definitely try letting an AI build your next site. The tools are here. Many of them have free tiers to get you started. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description. This site was built with AI. It was powered by Google Gemini. Now it's your turn.